Okay, so we're going to show you just some fun things that you can do with OnShape. We're going to use the line tool and the polygon tool, and then we're going to change color, which I think some of you might find fun. So I already made this circle up here, and you know, it's a disk, so we're just going to use that to kind of write on. Most of the time when you make a project, you're going to have to start out with some shape and then sort of sculpt away, cut away from it. So anyway, let's play around with this. I'm going to say sketch. I'm going to sketch on my disk up here. And let's try using the line tool. And I'm going to go from here to here to there. And let's connect it. And let's extrude. And let's remove. And let's say change this blind to through all. We sort of took a triangular piece out of there. But there's another way to make a triangle that's maybe a little bit better way. I'm going to say sketch. I'm going to sketch on my circle over here again. See this thing here? This is a neat tool. We're going to try to use the inscribed polygon. You can play around with either one, and I think they're pretty intuitive once you try it. So I'm going to say inscribed polygon, and see it's making a looks like a hexagon. I'm going to click. Once I click, notice this 6, 7 thing came up. If I sort of go up, it makes a smaller or fewer sided polygon. But if I go down and I'm moving my cursor down, notice it's going 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's make up and down. I'm going to make a hexagon, 6. And just for fun, let's extrude that. And let's remove. And let's go to blind and say through all. Now we've got a hexagonal hole. Let's just do one more of these. Let's sketch. Let's sketch on the circle. Let's do the inscribed polygon just so you can see this one more time. I click and I drag. It always starts as a hexagon. Once I click again, this number comes up, and if I wanted to make a triangle, notice it would be an equilateral triangle, and that would be going up. So let's do that. Let's extrude that. We'll let it add. Just check it out. Okay, so it sort of sticks out there. All right, so here's an interesting thing. We can go down to where it says part, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say edit appearance. And when I right click and say edit appearance, that was a right click, by the way, you can give it colors. And I made my my part purple. Now, you should know that this is only going to really affect the drawing. It's for fun. The color of an actual printout will be dependent upon the plastic filament that you use. So, you know, this may not affect your actual object that you print out. But we'll try one more thing. Let's just use this one. Edit appearance. Let's make it yellow. That was that one. Let's try this one. So anyway, you can you can change the color and to pretty much anything. Unfortunately, if you want to have two different colors on one part, I think you need to do that in an assembly, which we haven't gotten to yet. So, hope that helps.